IC Markets raw spread versus standard account. What's the difference? Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you the difference between IC Markets raw spread and standard account. Alright, so let's begin. So, IC Markets offers two main account types, raw spread and standard account. Let's break down the key differences between them. First, we will talk about raw spread account. Raw spread account offers tighter spreads starting at zero point 0.0 pips on pairs like Euro or USD. It charges a commission of $3.50 per $100,000 traded per side, meaning you pay a commission when opening and closing a position. It is ideal for experienced traders like day traders or scalpers who make frequent trades and value tight spreads. The commission cost can be offset by the low spreads, especially for high volume traders. Now let's talk about standard account. Standard account has wider spreads compared to a raw spread, typically marked up to zero point 0.6 pips. No commission is charged on top of the spread. Standard account is better suited for beginners or traders who trade less frequently. The simplicity of a fixed spread is easier to manage, especially for those still learning. So, which one should you choose? If you're an experienced trader or a scalper, the raw spread account might be the better fit. If you're a beginner or trade less frequently, the standard account is more straightforward and easier to manage. So that's basically the main differences between IKE Markets raw spread and standard accounts. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.